was here, he was saying about, I thought I'm so... Mr. John Kimotho, who is also an old boy.
I'd like to introduce the team so that you can know.
We have the intention of making sure that digital learning cuts across, right from the primary school, the secondary school, and even up to the university. Realizing that the future is technology, then there is nothing more important than making sure that our technology is also supported with the skills. We are working with the Ministry of Education within our next phases of the digital learning program. Our strategy was to now introduce computer labs in schools and then equip these labs with computers. So this is an effort that will go on across all institutions of learning.
Before we used to enroll 30, 20 boys, but currently, like in Form 2, Form 3 class combined, we have almost over 250 boys doing computers. So we thank the ministry and Huawei so much, and we hope that these computers will go a long way in aiding us to learn and even to prosper more and more.